Hi everyone, so this weekend I'm going to Denmark. I'm leaving on Friday after work and I'm returning on Sunday. And I'm gonna show you what I'm taking. So the reason behind this is because last time I did a weekend trip like that to London, I met up with my friend and she saw how little I took and she was shocked. She was like, how can you do that? How can you have enough things with you? And then also her other friends arrived from Germany and they also just traveled with hand luggage, but even they were, well, kind of shocked by how little I took. So a lot of people do travel with hand luggage only, but they take those suitcases or quite big bags, and I find that quite impractical because especially when you're taking Ryanair or EasyJet, oftentimes they don't have the space for all of the hand luggage suitcases because they're quite bulky even though they're small. So I tend to take bags and backpacks and quite small backpacks. So I can just pop it under the seat in front of me and I don't have to worry about finding a space for my bag. So the first thing that I want to mention is of course, packing very little is only possible for certain occasions. If you know you're gonna travel somewhere and you're gonna go to super fancy events every evening and you're gonna need 5 outfit changes a night, obviously light packing won't happen for you. Also, if you're gonna travel somewhere for a super active or I don't know, sportive holiday, if you can even say that, and you're gonna sweat a lot and you're gonna need a change of clothes every few hours, obviously it's not gonna work for you either. But if you're just planning on doing a little city break, just walking around, sitting in cafes, going to museums and stuff like that, you should keep watching. So the bag that I'm gonna take is this backpack. The size is pretty much what, children would take to school. And this backpack is from the time I went to school, actually. But I honestly don't care. It still works fine, so I'm gonna use it. So let's start. I'm gonna stay at a hostel, and I'm not sure if they offer towels, but I prefer to bring my own one anyway. And if you do Airbnb or hostels, check if they give you a towel or not and pack accordingly. So regular towels, the big ones, even if you fold them, that's not very convenient. So what I'm taking is a sports towel that's very thin, and you can just fold it into a little square. I mean, I wouldn't shower with a towel like that every day, but for traveling it's perfect. Okay, so I checked the weather and it said that it's possible that it's gonna rain, so I don't just want to take summery shoes. So I'm gonna take my Converse and I'm gonna just put them in a plastic bag so I don't get my other things dirty. In we go. Then, of course, pyjama. I'm taking just shorts that I bought in Laos. And I love them, the story behind them. But anyway, I use them just for sleeping, walking around the house and stuff like that. So then a shirt to sleep in, and I'm gonna take this one from Primark with Joker on it. Of course you're gonna want to take underwear. Okay, now for the clothes. As I said, I checked the weather and it's going to be quite a bit colder than here in Vienna. So I'm actually taking jeans, just in case. Well, not just in case, I'm definitely going to wear them. I haven't worn jeans in 2 months because it's been so hot here. but I guess Denmark is different. Then I'm taking this shirt. So. And if it does get chilly, I'm also taking this kind of blouse shirt thingy. I think it's from Primark. It's not jeans fabric, but it has this jeans look. So in we go. Oh, I forgot socks. So for a bag that I'm just gonna take for sightseeing, walking around and stuff during the day, I'm gonna take this. It's a shopper. And I got it in Vietnam. I love the stitching. And what I like about it as well is that it has a zip. And if you're going to touristy places, you shouldn't walk around with a bag that's open because there are going to be pickpockets. And I'm going to fold this and put it in my backpack. Sorry. So, what's next? Yeah. I'm not planning on going out to any fancy clubs or anything. If I'm going out in the evening, I'm probably going to go to a very casual bar. So I am taking a smaller bag, but it's just this one from Beyond Retro in London. And in the bag it goes. So, for jewellery, I'm taking a few more options. Well, pretty much for every day, to be honest. And I'm putting everything in this little baggie that I got from New Look. So I'm gonna take my hoops from ASOS. Yep. Then I'm gonna take my spike earrings. Woo! Stop. I wear them so often, so. Then I'm taking these earrings, also ASOS. And then for necklaces, I'm taking this silver one. It's just very simple, dainty, from Forever 21. And then this golden one with stars, also from Forever 21. So it goes in here. And of course, tissues, you never know. Then, an umbrella, because as I said, it might be raining and I don't want to get wet. My charger for my phone. As you can see, I have very fine hair, so I don't need a proper brush. This thing is enough for my hair. Obviously, if you have more than 3 hairs on your head, you should probably take something, you know, that you can actually brush your hair with. Yeah, then, as I said, I'm gonna stay in a hostel because it was the best and cheapest option. So I'm taking a sleeping mask and a lock with a key. Then, of course, I'm taking my passport, and in there is also my credit card and my insurance card. Okay, so, and now here I have hygiene products. I have my toothbrush, I have cotton rounds, I have floss, like the dental floss thingies, I have a nail file, and I have female products, and I like taking bags where I can see exactly, oh my god, sorry, huge fly. I can see exactly what's in there, so I don't have to, you know, look around for my stuff. And yeah, I'm gonna show you what I mean, because when I was younger, I used to travel with this bag and I could never find anything. So now I've changed to smaller bags that are kind of see-through. And then all my liquids, I already put them in a plastic bag for flying. There's nothing worse than being at security and having someone in front of you who is not prepared. Those people just are wasting everyone's time. It annoys me so much. So if you know you're flying, prepare beforehand. And the bag is literally something you can get at the supermarket, where other people put their food in or something. So I have deodorant, chapsticks, toner, and then my moisturizer I put in this little container. Then also I have a face scrub in this little container. You can get them at the drugstore. So. And then of course travel sized shampoo and shower gel and stuff like that. So let me just close that up. Oh, come on. Oh, sometimes they're so annoying. And put them in. It's not closed correctly. Now I've got it. Here we go. Sorry. I don't edit my videos very much just because I want my content to be very authentic and raw. So, you know, that's what happens. So, next up, I have snacks. The flight I'm on, they are gonna serve snacks, but I'm going straight from work to the airport, and then, well, I'm in Copenhagen and I might get hungry, so I'm bringing some food. Oh yeah, I'm also bringing pens because you never know. My notebook, it's pretty much like notebook diary, and I like to write things down. Obviously it says more issues than Vogue. It is what it is. So let me just put that in here as well. Yeah, then last but not least, I'm gonna show you the things I'm gonna wear tomorrow to the airport. Because obviously that's something good to know as well. Because it's gonna be quite hot in Austria, but not that hot in Copenhagen. I'm gonna wear these pants. They are good in between. Then I'm gonna wear this shirt with Empress Elizabeth and a fan out of fries. I really like it. And for shoes, they look so disgusting. I'm gonna wear these ones. I showed them to you in a haul. They're like handmade Greek sandals. I absolutely love them. And of course, I'm also gonna pack my phone, money, key. I'm not gonna put that in now because I'm gonna need that stuff for tomorrow. And I'm probably also gonna take my book. I'm currently reading 7 Years in Tibet. You probably know the movie with Brad Pitt. And the movie is actually based on this book, which is a real life story. So, yeah, that's that. I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm probably gonna do a vlog about there's a fly literally walking on the camera lens. I'm gonna do a vlog about my trip and hopefully see you next time.